So I've been moving some boulders and I messed my forks up, and it was nothing from these boulders. These are littler rocks, but they're still heavy. But there's another boulder back in the ditch there that actually fell in the ditch I was trying to move. And if you could see these forks, you could see how much they're off. Look what happened. So maybe I'll try to heat it up and bend it back. Really don't want to mess with it, but not sure I have a choice. This is Titan. It did pretty good. And those of you who do not have forks for your tractor, you obviously don't know how convenient they are, because I do more with these forks than any other implement that I own. Anyway, one down. We'll see if we can maybe work on her. I don't know. Don't really want to. See how it goes.